Hello everyone. High-speed laser was established in 2017 with the mission of providing perfect laser technology solutions. Our team has extensive experience and a deep understanding of our customers' needs, enabling us to effectively meet their requirements. Our machines have been exported to over 80 countries, primarily targeting markets in Europe, North America, South America, the Middle East, and Southeast Asia. We have a specialized network of distributors from countries such as the United Kingdom, Germany, Spain, Portugal, Italy, South Korea, and Malaysia. High-speed laser offers a variety of models and types of laser machines to meet diverse needs and applications. We provide sample testing and offer various technical consultations. Thank you for watching, and please don't hesitate to contact us if you have any inquiries.